Hello everyone. So today I was looking at this question on the community and I thought I'll probably make a video because this particular question, the requirements asked in the question can be achieved using a ScriptRunner, and I have done something similar in the past. So I thought why not share my experience. So the question is help on automatic Jira workflow. So the summary is not massively clear, but let us read the question. So the first scenario here is that how to change Jira's ticket status based on condition. Say, for example, if Jira ticket has attachment, it is moved to the next status. The second requirement is user can change Jira ticket status to approve, reject only. It has at least one comment. So I thought I'll probably talk about it on how we can possibly achieve this. So I don't really think there is an event for attachment added, but what we can do is we can actually create a listener using a ScriptRunner to check for issue update event. And if there is an attachment, a new attachment, we can definitely then take a look at maybe few other things like I've seen people wanting to do things like if the attachment has a specific name, if the attachment has a specific size or more than a particular size. In fact, one of my very first experience working with ScriptRunner was very long back when ScriptRunner was a free plugin. Yes, plugin, that was the name. And my client asked me to do something. So that is why I remember doing something similar based on the attachment name and the size. Now, if that is the case, then of course you can, using the listener, you can transition the issue. This potentially can be done, but I don't feel right about doing these things using, transitioning an issue based on the attachment. It doesn't really make sense because it's not very obvious even for the end user. I think the whole idea here should be to make it easy, and you should design these configurations in a way so that end user can use them. It should be intuitive for them. Uploading an attachment and then transitioning the issue, it might create confusion. And by the way, if you want to do how to do these things, do take a look at my repository or go to my website ravisagar.in and you can check my ScriptRunner course, free course. So I'm sure I do have a few examples here where I might have done something related to this attachment. If not, I'll probably, I think I did share a few things related to attachments. It is not massively complicated to fetch the attachments and then check for the size and other things. And the second requirement is how to ensure that the comment is added when you are trying to make a transition. It could be approve or reject. Now what you can do is you can actually build, this question is about something to do with the approval system that you may want to configure. Now what you can do is you can have a transition screen, and when you click on when the user clicks on transition screen, there can be a usually there is a pop-up, and usually there is a comment in the transition screen, and you can actually check whether the comment was added or not. So you can actually use a script validator to check for a comment that should be added. You can also do, at least for the second part, you can also do it using Jira MISC workflow extension or Jira Suite utilities. And Steve, another user on the community, has recommended this. So this can definitely be done for the second part, but for the first part, I believe you need to write a script which will give you more control. And I thought I'll probably share this with all of you today because this is something that, first of all, this is something that you can do using ScriptRunner on server. So I thought I'll probably share. On cloud, I believe it might be possible, but I need to double check. But definitely on server, you can do these things. So that is all. That is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.